Friends, welcome to this video, Value System Critical for Sustainable Growth. I'm sure you would have already seen the previous 5 videos. The first video in which I introduced a holistic framework for building a lasting business, and then I've dealt with 4 pillars out of those 5 in the previous 4 videos, and now I'm discussing the 5th pillar of that framework. So welcome to this video. Value system emanates from the core beliefs, attitudes, motives, desires, drivers, and the worldview of the founder entrepreneur. These aspects together qualitatively shape the organization and create a lasting impact on the ethos, behavior, and longevity of the firm. Value system is the ethical aspect of business. It goes much beyond just legality. For any business to sustain over a long period of time, value system needs to be taken care of and actively nurtured. Let us look at 4 dimensions of value system that need to be addressed. The first dimension of value system is compliance commitment. Every firm, every organization is governed by certain laws, regulations, enactments, taxation laws, and it is important that the organization is totally committed to compliance with them. Any non-compliance can result into reputation issues and can tarnish the image of the firm, restricting the flow of capital for its future growth. So compliance commitment is very vital and the first dimension of value system. The second dimension of value system is the need for balancing between the execution, the people who are actually in the thick of running the business, and people who are supposed to take an independent view. The role of independent non-executive directors becomes therefore very important in ensuring that the executives do not road roll certain decisions which may be in their self-interest but in the long term may harm the interest of the organization or the company. Third dimension is transparency. Transparency in dealings, transparency in communication, transparency being a part of its own DNA are all very critical aspects which have to be actively nurtured by the firm. Fourth dimension is resolution of conflicts of interest in a very fair manner. Every firm has multiple stakeholders. It is quite possible that their interests may conflict with each other. It is the role of board of directors to ensure that any such potential conflicts are resolved in a fair manner, in a way that it does not create any negativity or unnecessary challenges. So these 4 dimensions, if they are addressed well, they ensure that the long-term sustenance of the business or the organization can be assured. They form the bedrock of long-term sustenance. Now, in the next slide, let us talk about how these 4 dimensions interact with each other. Let us see the interaction between compliance commitment and balancing of oversight and execution first. So compliance commitment and balancing of oversight and execution ensures that the firm continues to have access to capital. Credibility with the providers of funds can be ensured only when the firm is totally committed to compliance with laws and regulations, and it has a good way of balancing between the execution and the oversight arm of the board of directors. So only then the continued access to capital will be ensured. Compliance commitment and transparency together ensure that there are only positive outcomes possible. There is no potential for negative outcomes or surprises, because on one hand you are complying with the laws and regulations, and on the other hand when you have discretion you are doing it in a very transparent way. When there is proper balancing of oversight and execution and resolution of conflict of interest in a very fair way, it builds credibility for the organization and its board of directors. So these 2 aspects also need to be addressed well. Transparency and resolution of conflict of interest together ensure that the energy of the stakeholders is channelized constructively. Otherwise, one may notice that there are conflicts among the stakeholders which can bring down a firm. So, for channelizing the energy constructively, it's very important that these two aspects are addressed together. So friends, I hope in this brief video you got an idea about how these four important pillars of value system play an important role in creating a sustainable business and also have some interesting interactions. For more such videos, do explore our channel, Dr. Abhijit Phadnis.